Why is your internet still slow even after changing DNS? You followed tutorials, but nothing changed. Here's why. Most people think DNS can make internet faster. But that's not how it works. DNS only translates website names into IP addresses so your phone can connect. It doesn't increase your speed. So if your internet is slow, DNS alone won't fix it. Here are the real reasons. First, your network might be weak or unstable. If your signal is bad, DNS won't help. Second, your internet provider controls your speed. DNS can't bypass that limit. Third, wrong DNS settings. If you enter it incorrectly or use a slow server, it won't work. Fourth, background apps. They can use your data and slow everything down. Fifth, high ping is not caused by DNS. It usually comes from server distance or network congestion. Now the fix. Turn airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Close background apps. Move to a place with better signal. Use a stable DNS if needed. DNS is not magic. If your internet is slow, fix the real problem.